Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And normally we don't like to part out these motorcycles. And we don't necessarily have to part this one out. However, this is a 73 H1. And the VIN number is 14663. Okay, there is no VIN number on the engine cases, and it does not look like it's ever been altered. I believe these are replacement engine cases at one time. So the frame looks good except for the pitting and stuff, but I think that can all be taken care of if someone needs it. So it's got all the hardware holding the cases on. We're going to get rid of this crash bar thing, sort of, whatever. So we've got a good clutch cover, and that's one of the main reasons I had this sitting in my barn for years and years. And I brought this in because we have a customer needing a clutch cover. So that's what drove me to bring this in. So we're going to be, we wouldn't mind selling it as is, but I think we're going to start using it for parts. This is a complete, this is a project that needs something done. The back wheel is locked up, but we're going to try to rectify that today. This cover here is kind of gooned, but still someone could probably use it. I don't know. Battery box looks like it's intact. You can still see the original stripes on the tail section. The meters and everything are gone, and I've probably had this bike for at least 20 years. Got a center stand on it and stuff, chain guard. So we're probably going to start cannibalizing this thing. We are going to cannibalize this, I believe, unless there's some interest in the whole project. So, like I say, it's a 73 H1. I don't have a title for it, but we are selling it as is or for parts. So if there's any interest out there, give us a call and we're going to start doing something with it as we speak.